Hey world, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about cleaning Alaskan Razor Clams. This is from the archives of my family out catching them. This is Hayden, my oldest, using a clam gun to pull out a Alaskan Razor Clam at Deep Creek, Alaska. That was one method we'd use. Several methods everybody does it quite differently. That's Fisher, my youngest, helping out, and Cash, he would find a breathing hole, take a shovel full out, reach down in, fill around, and he'd pull out his clam. Anyway, this isn't about catching them today. I got other videos on that, but today we're going to focus on the actual cleaning of the Alaskan Razor Clam.
Razor Clam. Stick your scissors in, loosen him up from his shell. Dipped them in hot water and loosen them up a little bit. Just pop their shell open. Just push them out of there a little bit. So the shell comes off like that. Take your scissors up their zipper and go up to their neck, they call it. Trim them off the neck. They have two holes in their neck. First one I went up with the first cut, and I go with the second one with the second cut. So it's all edible. These are the gills. Snip either side of the gills. Back and just pull this off, kind of like a frog. So that's the first part. Throw that clean bucket. This is called the foot or the digger. Essentially just cut off the black part. That's the good gut part. And you just turn this over. The bottom. Open and scoop out the brown part. There you have it.